Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If your Xiaomi electric scooter is acting strange, not connecting to the app, or showing error codes, a full reset can often fix it. In this 2025 step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do a complete reset the right way. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the scooter. Press and hold the power button until your scooter turns off completely. Wait a few seconds. Step 2. Prepare the reset combo. To reset most Xiaomi scooters, you'll need to press and hold both the brake lever and the throttle at the same time. Step 3. Power on while holding. While holding the brake and throttle, press and hold the power button. Keep all three inputs held for about 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4. Watch for the light flash. You'll know the reset is successful when the scooter's LED light blinks or the display resets. Once it does, release all the buttons. Step 5. Reconnect to the app. Now open the Mi Home app or Xiaomi Home on your smartphone and reconnect your scooter via Bluetooth. You may need to rebind it or reconfigure settings. Quick tips: this reset doesn't erase firmware, but helps clear connection bugs or sensor issues that make sure your scooter has enough battery before resetting. That's it. Your Xiaomi electric scooter is now reset and ready to ride. If this guide helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tech and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.